I canceled my $5,000 per month marketing agency contract 3 months ago. Since then, I've been using just 5 Claude AI prompts that generate more qualified leads than the agency ever did. Not only do these prompts save thousands in fees, but they deliver instant, measurable results you can replicate tomorrow. Copy these exact prompts and replace your expensive agency with AI for just $20 a month. Small businesses are hemorrhaging $3,000 to $8,000 every single month on marketing agencies that deliver mediocre results. The average agency client only sees a 5% increase in qualified leads after months of waiting and thousands spent. Meanwhile, agencies lock you into long contracts with unclear value, slow turnaround, and generic strategies. Most solopreneurs don't know that AI tools like Claude can replace all this for less than $20 a month, generating better leads faster. Staying with agencies means throwing away tens of thousands annually and missing out on automation that scales your business effortlessly. I switched to Claude AI and used these 5 prompts to generate over 150 qualified leads in 60 days, doubling my conversion rates while spending less than $20 a month. Multiple small business owners I've coached have replicated this system and cut their agency costs by 90%, launching campaigns that outperform traditional agencies. No fluff, just proven step-by-step prompt templates that work right now. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 exact Claude AI prompt templates that 1. Generate a 7-day email sequence in under 4 minutes. 2. Turn a single testimonial into 12 pieces of social proof content. 3. Create 30 days of authority content in less than an hour. 4. Achieve a 28% reply rate on cold outreach, way above the 2% average. Plus, you'll get a proven sales copy prompt that writes landing pages converting at 4 to 8%. Step 1 is the lead magnet prompt. Open Claude and input your product or service niche, target audience, and one clear benefit. Ask Claude to write a 7-day email sequence designed to nurture leads and build trust. This takes less than 4 minutes. Why it works. A consistent email sequence keeps prospects engaged and moves them automatically toward purchase. Skipping this means losing out on the most cost-effective way to warm your leads. Use this prompt exactly to generate emails that convert. Then schedule them using any email marketing tool. Step 2 is the social proof machine prompt. Take one glowing customer testimonial and feed it into Claude. Ask it to create 12 pieces of social proof content, such as Instagram posts, tweets, LinkedIn updates, and short video scripts. This multiplies your marketing assets instantly and leverages social validation to build trust. Mechanism: social proof increases conversion rates by up to 270%. So repurposing one testimonial 12 ways scales your impact without extra cost. Missing this means underutilizing your best marketing weapon. Step 3 is the authority content prompt. Input your niche, core topics, and target keywords into Claude. Ask it to create 30 days of educational and engaging content ideas, complete with headlines and short outlines in under an hour. For example, for a fitness coach, Claude might generate posts about beginner workouts, nutrition tips, and motivational stories. This batch content creation builds your authority quickly, saves time, and keeps your audience hooked. Skipping this leads to inconsistent posting and slow growth. Step 4 is the cold outreach prompt. Input your target customer profile and unique value proposition into Claude, asking it to write personalized cold outreach messages designed to spark interest. This prompt achieves a 28% reply rate compared to the industry average of 2%. Connecting this with your email sequence and social proof creates a seamless lead generation system. Without cold outreach, you rely solely on inbound leads, which caps your growth. Using these 5 prompts, your business transforms into a lead-generating machine. Imagine doubling your qualified leads within 60 days, cutting marketing costs by over 80%, and freeing up hours each week. You'll have consistent content, social proof amplifying trust, and a sales funnel that converts at 4 to 8%. This creates financial breathing room and positions you as the authority in your niche. The stress of chasing clients disappears, replaced by scalable automated growth. Comment prompts below right now to get your free Claude Business Starter Kit. 25 copy-paste prompts that you can use immediately to replace your expensive marketing agency. This kit includes everything we covered and more, helping you generate leads, create content, and close sales faster than ever. Take one action, comment prompts, and start transforming your business today.